It's Accountech Bytes, rounding up the news from the world of accounting software in 5 minutes with me, Tom Herbert. Thanks for joining me. All right, let's get started then. And a bit of payroll action to kick us off. We don't do enough payroll, do we? So recent updates to HMRC security settings means that users of Windows 8 or 8.1 are no longer able to make RTI submissions via HMRC's payroll manager, as laid out in this excellent article from our tax aficionado Amy Chin. Obviously, this has forced some users to have to go out and buy new computers, and I get that it is a pain and an expense, but yeah, really good comment here from just another user. Really talking about IT hygiene, sort of comparing it to things like food hygiene and fire safety, really using these sort of decade-old systems as not really that advisable. Anyway, you can read all about this and everything else in the video by clicking on a link in the description. Staying with payroll, and Maltese developer Buddy has launched in the UK, targeting accountants, bookkeepers and payroll bureau with an X. Apparently the plural with an S is furniture. Who knew? So thank you to Jonathan from Buddy for talking me through the product and some of their sophisticated automations. Do check that out. Before I move on from payroll, can I point you in the direction of our Accounting Excellence Awards, which has a Progressive Payroll Team of the Year category, sponsored by Employment Hero, a whole bunch of other service line awards as well you can enter, as well as firm and individual awards. You've got just over a week to enter, so get your entries in today, accountingexcellence.co.uk. Let's ring that AI gong then. And little section today, I've covered the Flexible AI Upskilling Fund before. That's a government grant for AI skills training, and the government have actually extended the deadline to apply for it. So that's gone another 11 weeks up until the 18th of August. ICAW is peddling its own courses here, but there are others available. Did anyone say AI? Well, this week I hosted a webinar on practical ways artificial intelligence can help you in your practice today with Stuart Miller from Xero, Louisa Matheson, and of course Benny McLaughlin there. So do check that out. Again, link in the description. And thanks to Xero for supporting that. Looking forward to seeing many of you at XeroCon next week. Let's go into a bit of product news now. And Sage for Accountants have released a product update for May. So Sage Accounting has new quotes and estimates features, a new budgeting module in Sage Accounting Plus, updates to Go Proposal Sage purchased a while back, and some client management stuff as well. Chris Downing features here, explaining it all in video. If you're not a video person, I think you might be a video person because you're watching this video, but if you prefer in writing, Sage have also laid it out on this page. What's next now, and some Dex news. There's an upgrade to their Fetch connection for Dex Prepare. So they have joined up with Amazon Business to streamline that fetching process. So Amazon invoices now flow directly into your cost inbox. So thank you to Stephen for updating us there. Let's go over to the Silverfin changelog. I love a changelog. And yeah, some updates to their accounts production, quick access to recently visited client files, and some customer collaboration stuff as well. Last but not least, Chaser, the accounts receivable OG, they're automating payment reminders by post. Tom, why are you talking about letters in a tech video? Well, Chaser tells me that 90% of postal letters get opened compared to 20% of emails. But wouldn't that make it difficult to actually for them to pay? Well, Chaser have come up with an answer for that as well by popping QR codes on the letters that can be scanned with your mobile and link to the payment portal. So interesting stuff there. Let's head across the pond now and look at contrasting fortunes in the week of the direct filing program. So this is a free online filing that the government over there are trying to bring in. So the IRS, RHMRC, have trialled it in 12 states and have said it's a resounding success, and they're making it permanent. Sounds good, but the Republicans are proposing to defund that free tax filing system. So I guess we'll just have to see. Well, if you would like to keep up with the fast-moving world of accounting technology, do check out my weekly email. If you're not already subscribed, just click the link here, pop your email address in the box and hit the yellow button. And if you are watching on the socials, please like, subscribe or follow. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.